greeting us just as we enter the marshlands. They are the tallest among all flamingo species and can grow up to 5 feet or 1.5 meters. Do you know that flamingos are not hatched with pink feathers, but gray ones for the first 2 to 3 years of their lives? The flamingo's pink plumage comes from its diet of Belgian shrimps, which is high in carotene. Goes to show you are what you eat. A little strip of river to our left. Let's see what it has in store for us tonight. These little torpedoes are the oriental small clawed otters, the smallest of all the otter species. Their red toes and streamlined bodies make them highly adaptable to aquatic living, feeding on fish, mussels, snails, and even